Hi, I'm Nick from Simple Flying, and this is our Airbus A330neo unboxing. Let's go check it out. Hi-Fly is a wet leasing airline, which means they don't actually operate any routes themselves, but rent out their aircraft to other airlines who just need a jet fast. They supply the crew, fuel, and the airline certificate. Hi-Fly currently has 9 more of these A330neo aircraft on order to replace their existing fleet of older, second-hand A330s. The A330neo seats 371 passengers, with 18 in business and 353 in economy. It's not bad. It's got that new plane smell. Now for the seat test. Business class is in a 222 configuration with lie-flat seats and other modern features you expect from a premium cabin aboard an aircraft. The entertainment screen is large and very responsive, with the capability to call a crew member if needed. The tray table extends out from the side armrest, and to call it stable would be an understatement. It is actually solid metal and bolted into its support. Passengers in business class can expect a delightfully soft quilt and a large pillow when the seat is deployed into lie-flat bed mode. They are also given an amenity kit that looks like a high-class handbag with polished leather and premium products. You ready to go? We're off to Portugal. Yeah. Let's go. Let's check out the economy cabin. This cabin is laid out in a 3-4-3 configuration. Surprisingly, Hi-Fly has actually given economy passengers plenty of legroom, more than most carriers. The screen is big and takes up most of the seat back, and there is a neck support for the headrest. The tray table does, however, leave a little more to be desired. Unlike the solid metal concoction in the business class, the tray table in economy felt a little more flimsy with its composite structure. The A330neo brings other custom improvements that we expect from modern aircraft, such as LED mood lighting, big overhead bins, quiet engines, better humidity, and plus more. Plus, its livery is simple and gorgeous. Overall, the A330 is a great aircraft for Hi-Fly. It's flexible for clients and polished for passengers. And the best news is that because it's available for wet lease, you might be flying on it sooner than you think. Brand new plane? Perfect.